5, 6, 7, 8. There's our device. First thing we're going to do is get the data out. So we'll double click, obtain from device, everything.
How are you? I thought we made the rule you couldn't wear it on Tuesdays. Today's Wednesday. Well, that's why I'm not wearing it on Tuesday. You can wear it on Tuesday, but not Wednesday.
We'll call this one old copier. That's the one we're copying stuff out of. We'll put it on our desktop. Okay. And then now, okay. Now we have to register another device. So we're not doing it here. We're going to close this little window. Back to our main screen, and we're going to go application for initial settings, register local file. Now we're going to register our backup. Now once we pick our backup, which is all of our authentication and our addresses, we're not going to decrypt anything because that's too complicated. So once we do this, we'll register it and call it old. Okay. And we hit OK. Logical file device has been created. So now, if we go back to here, you can see we have our original copier, and now we also have a copier. It's not really a copier, it's a file, but it is acting like a copier. So this is our file. So what we'll do next is we'll plug our new copier online. Whatever IP address it gets, who cares? Once we see it and it's in the list, we will take this file and we will import it in, and we'll do that by going here, copying data. We'll choose both authentication and address books. We'll go next. So where is the original copy from? Well, it's going to be from our file, right? Because we backed all that up. So we're going to select that. And then what's our target? Well, it's going to take a second here to connect. And then it's going to say, well, what's your target device? Well, that's going to be our new machine that we just plugged in, that we just did a scan of, and we just registered it. Although I don't have a new machine here, so I can't select it. But the next step would be to select the origin of the copy. Where do we want the origin to go? And we'll say this one, but I'm not going to do that right now. But that's the gist of it. And then you import and copy it, and it will copy all of your authentication and your address book settings into the new copier. The thing to note is do not turn any authentication on, do not turn a contract on, because if you do, that data won't move over. And you will still have to set up public user. Do not forget that, to restrict if they want public user for authentication.